Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper&Twine and welcome back to my channel. I've come on today with a Papercraft Society unboxing. I have heard of Papercraft Society. I believe they are exclusive to Craft Stash, and I've seen other people's channels where they've discussed these. I think the idea is that every month there is a different designer who puts a capsule collection together of crafting goodies. I will say now that I won this as part of my prize bundle for winning Card Maker of the Year. I don't subscribe to any craft boxes as I'm not working full time. I don't think I can justify the expense. I believe that the normal price for these is £27, but I did see they were reduced to 22 on Craft Stash. Let's see if we think whether it's worth it. It is a nice box. It's sturdy, and we've got a Velcro dot there. I'll try and get as much in shot as I can for you to keep everything together. Crafting is the only way to escape without leaving home. Ruth. And we can see that there is a very strong sunflower theme going on here. So inside the box we've got this wallet, which we will look at. We have a tissue paper package, and then we have an offer. More blooming treats from Ruth. We haven't met a crafter yet who doesn't love flowers. As well as creating a bunch of makes using all the summery goodies inside this month's box, we thought you might want to add to your floristry skills by creating yet more blooms. And there's a 10% off flower forming foam. Not my thing really. I'm not I like flowers in my crafting, but I'm not a flower maker. I like stamps, I like stencils. I don't mind the odd die cut, but I'm not really a flower maker. The offer for this has run out now. It was valid until the 31st of July. But there is a craft along with Ruth, a 90-minute free workshop, craft with your fellow Papercraft Society members. Look out for your craft along invite email coming to you soon. I don't think I've had that. Anyway, it is a nice enough box. We'll just move that out of the way. What should we look at first? The tissue paper or the wallet? I think we'll look in the wallet first. Again, Velcro. There's a hashtag Papercraft Society for you to share your makes. And inside this wallet, it opens out. So we have got an A5 stamp set with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 stamps on it. I think that's 19 stamps. Sunflower theme going on there. And it is nicely packaged. Whether it's worth £27, I don't know. I mean, we will do some stamping and we'll see what we think of the quality of these. These feel like silicone rather than photopolymer. They're a bit flimsy, but we will see. I might be mistaken. Then we've got some die cut elements. Again, with a sunflower theme going on. Not a huge fan of gold foiling personally, but that's quite nice. Is that one the same? Yeah. That's quite nice. As is that. You get 2 of those. Oh, and that's pretty. Okay, not bad, not bad. Not seeing £27 worth yet though, I don't think. I suppose you're paying for the designer's name, aren't you? And for the packaging. I mean, it is incredibly well packaged. I do like this folio idea. And then in this pocket here, we've got some dies. They don't appear to coordinate fully with the stamp set. The leaf does by looks of things, but the flowers don't. We've got thanks a bunch there, but we haven't got a thanks a bunch stamp. That's a shame. I think they've missed an opportunity to coordinate. But there's some nice things there. I think what I would need to do is go on the website and or you know, hashtag Papercraft Society and see what other people have made. So that's what's in our little folio. As I say, it's very nicely presented. I can't fault them for the presentation. And then inside here, we've got some more bits and bobs. I'll just move that out of the way. So we've got a little Papercraft Society booklet, and here's Ruth, who has designed it. She's done a lot of demoing on Create and Craft, hasn't she, back in the day? I think she worked for Crafter's Companion. And there's all kinds of projects in here. Gorgeous gifts. So using yellow papers, you can cut your own sunflowers out, which is quite cute actually, isn't it? So it's saying here, the perfect Papercraft kit delivered direct to your door each month. Exclusive Papercraft goodies worth over £60 in every box. I haven't seen £60 worth of goodies yet, really. 30 maybe, not 60. Free downloads to accompany every box, monthly challenges, competitions and craft alongs with the designer, and you can see some of the people who have designed there. Yeah, I believe August, because this is July's box, which I got last week. I think we're August the 3rd today. I think August's box is Crafty Individuals, but there's some nice projects in here, and it's all about mental health, which I'm a great advocate of, mental health awareness. And you can save 66% on Creative Stamping magazine. Okay, there's some things to look at in there. We have got, is this that flower soft stuff? So little tiny black micro beads. Those would be nice for the middle of sunflowers, wouldn't they? Getting it everywhere. And then we've got some green tape and some wire for creating proper flowers, some ribbon, and some coordinating cardstock. The yellow is nice and bright, isn't it? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to put you on fast forward now and have a play and make some things. I'm just going to let the camera run. There might not be anything happening all the time, and I will put it on fast forward and I'll try and find some nice music for you. So here's my finished project, an upcycled shopping bag. I can't get it all in shot. I'll take some photographs and insert them here for you. So I've used a bit of everything out of the box apart from the ribbon, the wire, the tape and the black micro beads. I'm not very good at die cutting. I'm not a huge die cut fan really. A little bit in its place. I have to say that these did cut very well. Apart from this one, you might have seen me have a little trouble just getting it out. I think if I'd run it through twice, it would have been fine. And I've just used my fingers to shape this a little bit. I haven't stuck the leaves down just to add a little bit of dimension. I've used the little Lavinia pound stamp in spice marmalade just to put a little bit of background on there. So that's the one side. I've covered up the little bit of writing that was on the top of the bag with just some stamped sentiments. And then this is the side that you saw me watercolour in using the distress inks. So I've had a nice little play. It's been fun using these products. I think by and large they're not bad quality. The sunflower stamped very well. The sentiments not so well. A little bit of halo. I'm not convinced that these are photopolymer. I'm happy to be proved wrong. Would I spend £27 a month? If I was working, maybe. I think if you were starting out crafting and hadn't got any supplies whatsoever, it would be a good way of gradually building some stash. You're getting dies, you're getting stamps, you're getting a bit of card, you're getting a bit of paper, and obviously every month they put some different products in. You're getting a little magazine with some projects in. So yeah, but I think for somebody like me who has got an awful lot of crafting stuff, I don't know. I think I would perhaps buy the odd box if it was a designer that I really liked, such as Indigo Blue or Crafty Individuals or Visible Image. But to have a monthly one, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of my upcycled bag. It's one of my niece's birthdays later this month, so I might use it for her. But essentially, it is my party bag for Kate Fletcher. I'll be showing it in another video with some other things inside. Let me know what you think of my attempt at die cutting and flower shaping. It's not very good. I know it's not very good. I'll be back soon. Take care, everybody. Bye now.